Chapter 2. Truth is God. Saying the truth means not to lie or cheat. Doing the right thing every time, even when no one is watching, is also the same as saying the truth. Doing these two things will make you a good child. This means even when we are alone and nobody is watching us, we should always do the right thing. We should always say the truth and not lie or cheat. Listen to your inner voice. Your inner voice tells you what is right and what is not. Did you know that your inner voice is also known as your conscience? It is also known as the voice of God. By being a good child, you receive blessings. You can pray to God in any form. God is one and loves all. You know, when you see someone doing some bad thing, in your heart there is a voice that tells, no, this is wrong. You are about to fall and somebody catches you. In your heart there is a voice that says, thank God. That is your inner voice. Now let's read a story. God is watching. Once upon a time, there was a farmer called Keshav. He always used to tell his son Gopal to never forget that God is everywhere and is watching. That farmer, he always tells his son, God is everywhere and he is watching us. Once there was a famine. Nothing grew in Keshav's field. Famine is the time when there is very less to eat for everyone. Now the next page. One day he went to another farmer's field to steal grains. He told Gopal, look around and if somebody comes, inform me. Here he is Keshav. He tells his son to look around and tell him if somebody comes. And here what is he doing? He is going to someone else's, another farm to steal grains. Steal here means to take something without asking and without letting the other person know. As soon as he started to cut the grains, Gopal said, wait, father, somebody is here. Keshav looked around and asked his son, where is he? Gopal said, you told me God is everywhere and sees whatever we are doing. Will he not see you stealing the grains? Now, here, when Keshav was cutting the grains, as he started cutting the grains, Gopal, his son, said to stop. He said, wait, father, somebody is here. Keshav stopped and he looked around and asked his son, where is he? Gopal said, you told me God is everywhere. Now he will see us if we are stealing the grains. Keshav was ashamed. He put back the grains and thanked his son for reminding that God is watching and takes care. Soon there was relief given by the king. Food grains were distributed and help was given. After hearing his son, Keshav was ashamed. Keshav felt bad, as earlier he said God is watching us and now he is stealing. That is not a good thing. So he put the grains back and thanked his son for reminding. It means for telling him that God is watching. Soon there was relief given by the king. Relief means the food, all the things that we need, as there was famine, and famine means very less to eat for everyone. So the king offered food and other things. Food grains were distributed. Distributed means given to everyone, and help was given. Help here means to give food plus other things that are needed. Somebody must need clothes, some other things that were given by the king. So in this story, we learn that whatever happens, even when we are alone, we should always tell the truth and not lie or cheat. In that way, we will become a good child. Try to read the chapter again and underline the difficult words.